I'm going to show you how to comment on a voice thread. So once you've found the voice thread that you want to comment, or you've made it for your students, there's a few ways that you can comment on it. You can type it on it. You can record your voice. You can record yourself with a webcam, and you can record your voice using your telephone, which might be a really productive way to do have your students use their cell phones in class. I'm not going to use that one. What I am going to do is show you how you can first type. So I'm going to click on type. I can say, I think this formation was caused by wind, not water. And then what I can do is there's a little color wheel over here, and I can pick a color that I think everybody's going to see. And I can actually draw. I think its path was probably like this, and it went behind this rock, and it went that way. And I can maybe further elaborate and things like that. Eventually my little arrow will disappear, so then the next person that's commenting can comment. I'm going to click save. Now I'm going to show you how you can record using your voice. All you have to do is have a microphone, like the headsets with the microphones on them. I'm going to click record. And now it's going to say, well, I actually think that it was water that caused this, and I went this way. And I think that because X, Y, and Z. I'm going to stop recording, and it allows me to listen to it. I'm going to save it without listening to it and pretend that it was perfect. Then what I can do actually is use a webcam. So now you can see my voice up in the corner. Once it's ready to start recording, I can say, well, you know, I think you guys are all wrong. I think this part was caused by a little bit of wind. I think this part was caused by a little bit of water, and I can elaborate and elaborate. I can stop recording. It's going to play this one back too. But I'm going to just go ahead and pretend that it's perfect and click save. I can also, while I'm in the middle of a comment, switch to another slide. Oops, I'm sorry, you switch this way. And this has this little guy. He's going to talk about erosion and why it's awesome.
Erosion, good or bad? Let's think in big scales.
I can click type, and I can start commenting while he's doing stuff.
Mountains are being built as the...
I'm going to cancel that, but you see how you can put videos and everything else in there. It's a really, really neat tool for students to collaborate and share their ideas. They can also critique each other and things like that. Hopefully this is something you'll be able to use in your classroom.